Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a Land Rover Series 3 pickup truck by Hot Wheels. It's from the Baja Blazers series and is number 10 of 10. This is looking like a real sweet ride and I can't wait to get it added to the Timmy's 10 again collection. Wow. Alright, let's get this open. See how it goes on the track over there. Tire in the back, that's a pretty cool right there. Wheels roll nice. There and there also. There's the front, pretty killer. And the back. No moving parts except for the wheels, no opening doors, no open tailgate. Plastic bottom. And metal top. All the tan is metal. Baja Blazers. Let's see how it rolls. Whoa, it's got a nice sound to it. Let's see if it goes over this loop. Oh! Try one more time. I won't spend too much time on it. There we go! Nice! Perfect roll! Loving that! Thanks so much for watching us open up that Land Rover 3 pickup truck. And please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again.